Now we are going to make the cubes. Okay, once a batter is ready like this one, just roll it nicely. Okay, just press it, then with the pressure, okay, just press it nicely. Okay, a little bit thinner, make it thinner size. Just rotate it both the sides nicely. Then little bit thicker, not too much thick. If you want, you can make a thicker one also. But if it make a smaller one, if it is a party, it will be very nice. Okay, just to make it. Then cut the edges, okay, because the edges will be not good. Just cut the edges like this one, like a square like this one. Take it out. Later we will use it. Okay, we need only the center part, nicer part. Then we will make another top. Then we roll it like that. Okay. Okay, now the square is ready. Just cut it. Just cut it like this. Then if you cut the pieces like this one, see, divide this one. If you cut the pieces like this one, then again cut it into small pieces like this. It's like a cubes, okay. Like this cubes you can make it, okay. This is a cubes you can make it. Then you have to fry it in oil, okay. Groundnut oil is the best one. You can fry it in groundnut oil. Now we are going to fry it, okay. We made the cubes ready now. Now it is for deep fry. Okay, in a minute it will be ready. Okay, by the time being, bye. I will go and heat the oil and come back. Bye.